Yo, hello traders. It's your one and only Forex Coach, Team Legend, and I'm super excited having you all here today on this video. All right, you know why I'm excited about this video? Because this is really going to help you out. This is really going to help a whole lot of traders out there make quite a lot of money from the financial markets. And it's a very simple video. We're working with your price action and one single indicator that is going to change the whole game big time. All right, guys, are you interested in learning something new today? If you're really interested in that, why not hit the subscribe button in case if this is your first time on my channel, and turn the notification bell on so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime that I post a new video, because it's always important that you should be the first to get notified instantly so that whenever there is a giveaway, you don't want to miss out. All right, so hit the subscribe button right now and turn the notification bell on. Good. All right, traders, now, remember in my previous videos, I've been teaching you guys lately how to trade the market using your candlestick confirmations, different candlestick, the doji and the pin bars. Okay, you know, I've been teaching you guys quite, because if you haven't actually watched any of those videos, maybe because this is your first time on this channel, you want to do me a little favor, go to those videos. All right, yeah, go straight to this video, watch this video and learn how to use the candlesticks and their patterns to analyze the market and figure out a very good place where you want to place your trades and take good entries, sniper entries. All right, so to make the job even much easier, there is an indicator that I just found out recently, and I've been tested running it, and indeed it's been doing great. So I decided, why not I bring it out to the public and show you guys, since it synchronizes with exactly what I've been teaching you guys in price action. All right, so this is what we're going to do now. For you to be able to use that indicator and make your trades a nice one and a perfect one, the first thing I would always advise you to do is do what? Do your analysis. All right, do your price action analysis. Don't say, oh, indicator, let me just use indicator. No, trader, still remain on your price action, which means once you come to your chart, make your analysis. Okay, make your analysis, and so after making your analysis, the next thing you want to do is to apply what? The indicator. So I'll be showing you the indicator in a few seconds. Let me just finish up with what I'm doing right now. So this is my analysis, and you can see, as you can see, I have my support and resistance all in place, and also I have my trend line. All right, now I actually missed this entry because I wasn't online, because I already had the analysis earlier. All right, so I missed this entry because I wasn't online, but that's that for that. We can always meet up with many other trades. Currently, as you can see, I'm on GBP USD and is indeed going in profit, even though after playing with my emotions, almost hitting my stop loss. All right, but now is going perfectly in favor. All right, so when you miss an entry, that doesn't mean you're not going to get another entry in probably other markets. Okay, so now, after doing your analysis, I've placed my trend line, I've placed my support and resistance. The next thing I want to do is to apply the indicator. So right now I'll click on it, turn on. Okay, good. Now we can see the indicator. Well, this is what the indicator does. You see the way it mapped out the zone for me. All right, it mapped out this zone for me. As a trader, if price was still on its way coming up from here, okay, let me hide the entire chart so I can show you something. So this is what the indicator does. You see what it does? All right, it helps you spot out zones. Okay, in case of those who don't know how to mark out zones, with this indicator you can easily mark out zones. Okay, and those zones are very good zones that market is likely to turn from. I hope you understand. Please, if you're really understanding, just comment I understand, right on. Okay, just comment I understand, team, right on. So I would be sure that you're indeed understanding what I'm saying. Okay, and if you love this video that I'm teaching you guys right now, you can support me by hitting the like button so that whenever people see the video, they would want to watch it and also learn from it. All right, so as a trader, this is what you want to do. Now remember, this is how the market played out. It went down, right, probably played around, went up, hit that same zone again, all right, and came back. So as a trader, if you find out that price was somewhere at this around here when you came into the chart, and the indicator already has mapped out the zone for you by itself, all right, if the indicator has mapped out this zone for you by itself, all you want to do is to wait for a good entry opportunity around this same zone that it has mapped out for you. Then you know how much you're willing to risk. Maybe you want to risk 20 pips, all right, so 20 pips is going to be somewhere here, and then you want to target, let's say you want to target 50 pips and above. Okay, so you want to wait for entry around here. So while price continues to come and hits the zone that the indicator has mapped out for you and plays around probably and starts going in your favor, all right, that's exactly how to use this indicator. Okay, that's exactly how to use this indicator. So the indicator helps you map out what zones. So let me bring back the chart, and then we can see that exactly that's how price played out. Okay, that's exactly how price played out. So this is a massive profit. So imagine if I was online on time to find this zone on time, trader, I would have placed myself having my 20 pips stop loss and my 50 pips above, and that would have been a huge profit. Probably this has to be your TP1 here. The TP1 ought to be here. All right, let me place that here. This should be your TP1, and that TP1 is about 39 pips, 38 pips, TP1. Okay, and then your take profit 2 should be at 54 pips. All right, because that's the anticipation that this nigga is gonna come down here straight, then maybe play around, and still one day come back deep down. So that's just the logic about trading with this wonderful indicator. Now if we head to, let's say, the 4-hour time frame, let's see. Let me hide all my drawings so you can see some things clearer. Okay, so look at what the indicator mapped out. Look here, traders, at the zone, at this area, when price came, pushed down and started going bullishly, the indicator mapped out the zone for you, telling you that, is trying to tell you that, hey, in the nearest future, if price gets to this zone, what you're going to do is to look for opportunities. Okay, that's what it does. Look, the same thing. You see the way price reacted when it got here, and on the same side, price also reacted here. For this is 4-hour time frame. So if we go to a lower time frame, we'll see the reactions that probably must have occurred around here. Okay, now this is what you also want to do in order to check out if this indicator is really worth it. Okay, you can always continue probably from where it stopped. You want to drag it to the future to see how it plays out. Now for instance, we have let me hide all these drawings. Now for instance, we have this one here. Look here, traders, we have this long zone. It has mapped out here for us. So what you're going to do is what you're going to take a rectangle and keep dragging it straight to the future. All right, that's what you're going to do. Take a rectangle from here, drag it even higher to the future, and then you want to wait there. Okay, you want to do what? You want to wait right there, anticipating that any day price plays around, maybe after playing around all the zone, and comes back here. This is the zone it mapped out for you, right? Comes back here, you want to look for an opportunity to sell. All right, I hope you guys are already understanding the logic of this indicator. So it's a very beautiful indicator that you really want to try out. Okay, now the next question might likely be, so Tim, what's the name of this indicator? And another question might be, Tim, can I use this indicator for synthetic, for those of you who trade the synthetic indices? All right, so the thing is, you can this indicator is only on trading view, so it's mainly for those who trade the currency pairs. Okay, but I'm still going to check out. Let me check out from this end. Let's see. So let me see if the indicator is also available for volatility index. So this is derive. Okay, this is trading view for derive. So the call it like breakout. Come on, it's not there. That's just a bad thing, guys. It's a bad thing. So the indicator is actually not here for volatility index traders. So it's mainly for currency pair traders. Okay. So the name of this indicator is what's it called, breakout finder, all right, by lonesome. Okay, breakout finder by lonesome, LONE sum. Okay, so you want to check it out on your trading view, and probably you want to put it under your private so that you can always use it for your word analysis. All right, so traders, let me know what you think about this video. Do you really love this video? Why not hit the like button and leave a comment below, and I'll see you on the next video. But in the meantime, traders, stay safe and keep winning.
Please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell.